Hey guys, assalamualaikum. Today's I'm share a delicious recipe of Zinger burger. Please note down the ingredients first. Chicken breast salt if required, pepper mustard paste 3 tablespoons. Of flour 3 tablespoons, corn flour 1/2 teaspoons, baking powder 1 beaten egg, chilled water, vinegar, burger buns, mayonnaise, slice of lettuce. This recipe will show you how to prepare Zinger burgers. First step is marinate the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and mustard paste for 15 minutes. Second step, take a bowl out. Third step is add flour 3 tablespoons heaped, 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 beaten egg and some chilled water to make the batter. Fourth step is dip the marinated chicken breast in the water. Fifth step is roll it in dry flour. Sixth step is deep fry the chicken in a frying pan until crispy and golden in color. Seventh step is cut the burger buns in half. Eighth step is apply mayonnaise and vinegar on the bun. Ninth step is put on a cheese slice. 10th step is top the burger with fried chicken. 11th step is put the salad leaves on top. 12th step is cover the burger with the top part of the bun. 13th step is serve immediately so the burger will still be hot. Eat your delicious Zinger burger. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.